If you make one thing this holiday season, it has to be this hot honey glazed ham. It is sticky, spicy, and absolute perfection.
You only need a few simple ingredients to get that perfect balance of sweet and heat. Let's start with the glaze.
In a saucepan over medium heat, melt down some salted butter and a cup of dark brown sugar until it's bubbly.
Pour in a generous amount of high quality honey. This is going to give us that signature sticky shine.
Now for the kick. Add red chili flakes, a splash of hot sauce, and some fresh garlic. Simmer until it looks like liquid gold.
Grab your spiral ham and score the top if it isn't already cut. This helps the glaze penetrate deep into the meat.
Cover it with foil and bake at 325 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes per pound. We want to keep it juicy.
Halfway through, remove the foil, baste it with those pan juices to build up the flavor layers.
For the last 15 minutes, crank the heat up and pour on the rest of that reserved glaze.
Pop it under the broiler or high heat. Watch it closely. We want caramelized and crispy, not burnt.
Look at that color. Pull it out and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. This locks in all the juices.
Garnish with fresh herbs and a little extra chili flake for a pop of color.
The knife should just slide right through. Look how tender and juicy that is.
Sweet, savory, and spicy. Save this recipe for your holiday dinner. Your family is gonna love it.